As always, today's video idea is brought to you by you guys. Pretty much everything I come up with on this channel is because you guys ask me a question or you suggest a video, and I just love covering it. Today's topic came to us by a question that was submitted on a recent live stream, and somebody just simply said, hey, when applying beard oil, I know I use my hands, but do I apply it to my palm and work it with an open hand? Or do I apply it to the fingertips and massage in? And I said, you know what? I don't have a video that's dedicated to that. Let's make it happen. And while I have this is not a sponsor. This is a great growth oil system from Dr. Nick's. It's just something I had handy. I didn't want anybody thinking like, oh, product placement, he's tricking us. No. I'm open to sponsors. Literally wouldn't change anything I do. Still would love the company like this. I just make sure to always let you guys know I'm always transparent, but good stuff here. I just thought the color was cool too. Maybe it'd catch your attention. But here is my answer. Straight to it, I use both. I apply beard oil with my fingertips first, massaging it into the skin, and then I use the open palm on the rest of my beard. And I'm gonna kind of walk through it, but real quick, I gotta do the YouTube stuff because genuinely people forget, and that's the only reason I do it. Did you remember to hit the thumbs up? This is free content. Are you subscribed to the channel and supporting what we do here for free, but also keeping new videos up to date with you? Thank you to those new subscribers, and shout out to those returning subscribers above and beyond. If you guys want to share, if you want to hit that notification bell, I rarely ever say those two, but they are options that YouTube offer. And again, it's all free. Let me break this down on how I do it, you guys. I'm not going to apply the oil on camera right now because I'm already ready, but I will demonstrate. And yes, remember, I did a lighting video and showing you guys how the beard, remember when I put my hand behind it, doesn't look as good, right? Hey, I know, Dan, I'm being vulnerable, being real. So how it works for me, generally speaking, I'm about 2 dropper tops to 2.5 dropper tops, making a video on that near future, stay tuned, into my hand. So I will take the dropper top, I will place it in the cupped part of my palm. From there, I will get my fingertips and I will kind of work the hand together, and it starts on my fingertips, but my whole hand would be covered. I go from underneath the beard and I work into the skin under my jaw, on my jaw, and then up the cheeks. And then I go in on the outside using that open palm. So it's first fingertips massaging into the pores of the actual facial hair, the follicle, right? And then when I have just the rest that's on my hand, I go through the outside. And then equally important, I take a comb and I work through my beard. I rake the skin. I spread the product evenly. I do a gentle exfoliation to promote blood flow. But that's how it works. And I think that's a pretty good rule for everybody. Now, I set a baseline, you guys do whatever you want. It's your beard, that's the fun of it. The only kind of exceptions that maybe I could see is if you have a really short beard, maybe palm is okay and is enough. I still would massage in with my fingertips and then I would go over the top. If I have a medium beard, I do the same thing. If I have a longer beard, I would do the same thing. Fingertips to massage and then open palm to spread and cover area. It's almost like detail work and then you're taking the bulk. Hope that makes sense. It just is very simple. And a lot of guys, especially, right, we have a lot of freedom beards and veterans on this channel, former law enforcement, people that are just really like, hey, tell me how to do it. I want to do it right the first time. That would be my advice. Fingertips first, open palm for the rest. Straight up. Now, to end, just as important as any part of this video, down below in the comments, do you have questions? I know there's somebody out there that's like, but Dan, let me know down below. I love answering those questions. I love clarifying. And maybe you give me some food for thought and we have a future video on it. Beyond that, experiences. What do you guys do? Is it fingertips and palm? Is it just palm? Is it just fingertips? Do you do a different method where you take the dropper top and apply directly? Do you take the dropper top and apply to a comb? I don't like those ones personally. I don't think they spread as evenly. I think you can waste product. Dan, how can you? I just don't think that those are as good of methods, but if it works for you, I want to hear. If it works for you, you're probably not alone and somebody will feel you and vibe with you down in the comments. So experiences, questions, wonderings, anything at all, you guys, you're amazing. Thank you for watching today. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.